Hey Cliff, here is a video for your daughter. So I don't know her name, but there you go. We have two slots here. There is nothing in them, as you can see all over, and I don't have anything in my hands, okay? So just in case if you're wondering. Alright, let's see if we can produce some coins, right? Let's see if we can produce some coins. Alright, um, there you go. We got something there. And let's see if we can make these coins go from here to here, right? So I'm not moving anything. As you can see, coins are there. So I'm going to make them disappear from here first, and then let's see if we can, I'm not moving anything. Abracadabra, abracadabra, right? Show it to your daughter, right? Now you must be wondering, there are coins here as well. There you go. There's nothing, right? The coins are here now, right? Okay. Let's try something else. Okay. Let's try. Let's try. Let me put this in my hand. Okay. Right. If you're playing with if you're playing this with your daughter, um, put it in her hand. You can buy this from eBay, by the way. So there you go. Yeah, tight. As soon as you put it, you need to hold it tight for the magic to work. Okay. Right. Let's see if we can make those coins appear here. At the moment, as you can see, there are no coins in there. Just in case if you're wondering. Right, if you're wondering here, see, I don't have anything in my hand. I'm just opening up. You see that? That's it, my friend. Now, the final. No coins in there. Right? Thank you very much, my friend. Cheers. Bye bye.